Welcome to Hambelung Studio, where we explore the art of designing spaces that feel both modern and timeless. Today, we're venturing beyond minimalism to uncover how Scandinavian luxury can transform your home through sleek lines, open layouts, and luminous glass walls. Imagine stepping into a living room where natural light dances across warm wood surfaces, where each corner blends the inside with the exterior interior, creating a seamless, serene sanctuary. In this video, we'll guide you through practical tips for implementing Scandinavian decor in every part of your home, from your cozy living room to your Ooma office, a space that inspires focus without clutter. You'll discover how to use glass walls, floating furniture, and subtle textures to create open, airy environments that feel luxurious yet understated. Whether you're redesigning your home or just looking for inspiration, this journey will show you how to make your spaces feel effortlessly elegant. So, if you've ever dreamed of a home that balances simplicity with sophistication, where every line and surface speaks of intentional design, you're in the right place. Get ready to explore Scandinavian decor principles, practical layout ideas, and subtle touches that connect your interiors with the natural beauty outside. Stay with us as we reveal how sleek lines and glass walls can elevate your everyday living into something extraordinary. Sleek Scandinavian luxury at home. Welcome to your dream living space. Imagine walking into a room bathed in natural light, where every line and angle speaks of calm sophistication. In this segment, we're exploring how to design a Scandinavian-inspired living room using sleek lines, glass walls, and luxurious minimalism. Think soft, neutral palettes with pops of warm wood, modern furniture that balances comfort and elegance, and clever layering of textures that bring life without clutter. By incorporating exterior-interior concepts, your living room can feel like it's part of the natural world outside. Floor-to-ceiling windows create that seamless indoor-outdoor connection. A minimalist Scandinavian sofa, accented with cozy throws, paired with clear glass partitions, turns your living space into a haven of both style and serenity. Don't forget, this is just the beginning. If you love transforming spaces with smart, luxurious Scandinavian decor, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends to build a community of design lovers just like you. Functional elegance meets minimalism. Step into a kitchen where form meets function, where every countertop, cabinet, and dining nook is carefully curated for both practicality and beauty. In this chapter, we'll show you how to create a Scandinavian kitchen with dining space that feels expansive, bright, and inviting. Sleek cabinetry, integrated appliances, and glass front cupboards allow light to bounce freely, emphasizing the elegance of simplicity. Incorporate Ooma office-inspired storage ideas for organizing your kitchen essentials without disrupting the aesthetic flow. A dining table with clean lines, paired with transparent chairs or subtle glass elements, enhances the room's luxurious feel while keeping the environment airy and open. By marrying Scandinavian decor principles with smart layout planning, you create a space that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, or just sipping coffee with a view of your garden. If this inspires you, don't miss out. Subscribe for more home design secrets, like this video, and share it so your friends can reimagine their kitchens too. Productivity in a luxurious Scandinavian setting. Let's talk about creating a home office that doesn't just function, it inspires. The Ooma office concept is all about clean lines, abundant natural light, and clever storage that makes work feel effortless. Imagine a desk facing a large glass wall overlooking your garden, where your workspace feels connected to nature while keeping your focus sharp. Decorate with subtle Scandinavian accents, minimalist shelves, neutral tones, and statement lighting that elevates your office's luxurious vibe. Glass partitions can separate your work area from living spaces without closing off the room, maintaining openness and tranquility. By designing with Scandinavian interior principles, your office becomes more than a workspace. It becomes a sanctuary for creativity and efficiency. If you're ready to transform your work-from-home setup into a stylish, high-functioning space, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video with fellow design enthusiasts to inspire a community of innovative home offices. Serenity in glass and sleek lines. Bathrooms don't have to be just functional, they can be a retreat of Scandinavian luxury. Here, the mantra is simplicity, light, and elegance. Think frameless glass showers, floating vanities, and muted tones that create an airy, spa-like environment. Sleek lines guide the eye smoothly across surfaces, making the room feel larger than it is. Add exterior-interior design touches, like a skylight or glass wall facing a private garden, so your bathroom connects with the outdoors while staying intimate. Minimalist fixtures, hidden storage, and natural wood accents ensure that luxury doesn't feel heavy, it feels effortless. If you're inspired to craft a bathroom sanctuary that embodies Scandinavian sophistication, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends, because everyone deserves a little home luxury. Extending Scandinavian luxury outdoors. Finally, let's step outside and explore how your garden can echo the sleek, luxurious lines of your interiors. Scandinavian design isn't just for inside your home. It thrives when the outdoor space reflects simplicity and functionality. Picture minimalist planters, geometric pathways, and glass partitions that blend the indoor living areas with nature. By creating an exterior-interior flow, your garden becomes a seamless extension of your home's Scandinavian style, perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or even a home office with a view. Soft lighting, natural textures, and clean landscaping maintain that luxury feel without cluttering the space. To bring your indoor elegance outdoors, hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Join a growing community passionate about blending Scandinavian decor with modern luxury, turning every home into a stylish sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this journey beyond minimalism, where we explored how Scandinavian decor, sleek lines, and glass walls can transform your home into a luxurious, serene retreat. From your ** living room and kitchen to the Ooma office and outdoor spaces, you've seen how thoughtful design connects the exterior-interior to everyday life. If you enjoyed this video and want more inspiration to bring Scandinavian luxury into your home, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Join the Hamburlung Studio community, where we celebrate smart, stylish, and meaningful design for every home.